step by step making a cappuccino. If the two green lights are both on, then you're ready to go. If there's no lights on, then make sure there's a cup underneath there, and you'll have to press the on button to ensure it goes through its cleaning routine. Once it's gone through its cleaning routine, the two green lights should come on. If this light here is on, that's to fill the water line. You'll have to just pull it out there. I've just filled it up, and you fill that full of water, and you slot that back. If this light here is on, it means that either beans need to go in the top there. I should fill them up before I go anyhow, or you pull on this, open up, then pull the tray out and make sure that this is empty here. It's quite full at the moment, although the light didn't come on, so you'd have to take those into the bin, like so, and put that back in, and then slot that back under, like that, and then close that up. So you are just about ready to go. I'll now go and see if you can find your cappuccino mug. Should be up in there, up here. There we go. Stick it under there, and looking at the settings, if you look up at the settings there, if you leave it, that one there, possibly about 3/4 of the way round, and then you want to be pressing the 2-cup module, making sure that that's on max for the concentration of coffee. So I'm going to press that now. Some coffee going to there. While that's doing its thing, I will make some milk. I've got some milk in the jug. Too much milk. Put it down the bottom. Fills up about 3/4. Once that's doing its stuff, put it a bit there, put it up there to wait. And the important thing is now, you've got the two green lights on there, you now need to generate the steam. And the steam button is there, so you press that once, and then it'll start flashing. The two other green lights for the cups will go out. It means that the water is heating up and generating the steam internally. Now once that light goes solid, this is the steam knob here, which is again fully round clockwise to the off position at the moment. You'll have to move the steam spout out from its position and place it into the milk jug. Now that's what we're going to do now, is to move this out of here, scoop the jug underneath that, lift that into there, like that, and then we move the steam knob all the way around to the on position. You can see the on position. Right there, you then move the jug up to the milk, and you move the jug back and forth so that the steam can bubble into the milk and heat it up. And you should be able to feel the bottom of the jug, and it's quite temperature. push back then to 0. And what you want to be doing then, once you pull that back to 0 there, go back up there and press that off. Now as it cools down, your 2 coffee lights will come on and they'll continue to pulse until the pipework inside has cooled down enough for it to resume making normal coffee. At this stage you remove your milk and tip it in to top up your latte with milk and froth. And the important thing too as well is to make sure that you get a sponge or a cloth and move this in and wipe that down. To actually give it a proper clean, you can either use a bit of a fairy liquid or to actually give the spout a good run out. Let it turn it on again briefly to actually clear the milk out from the spout and then turn it off. In order to speed up the process by which you can make coffee again, you can quickly turn it on just to ensure that the residual steam and hot water come out of that, and then it should, there we are, you've got they're solid again rather than having to wait. Then of course you have to wash up the steam cup and then you've got your latte ready to go.